Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you 4 ways in which you can prepare your coffee to aid weight loss. So before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification, and also feel free to share these videos with your loved ones. So let's get to today's video, shall we? Coffee is rich in powerful antioxidants, and many people get more antioxidants from coffee than from fruits and veggies combined. Caffeine present in coffee helps to boost the metabolic rate and increase the level at which the body burns fat. Coffee also helps to improve energy level. So if you are the type that loves going to the gym, you should sure have a cup of coffee right before going to the gym. Coffee also helps to curb your appetite, which aids in weight loss as it helps you to reduce your calorie intake. It also helps with bowel movement, it helps with digestion, and it also helps with constipation. Well, the fun fact about coffee is that the manner in which coffee is prepared and the manner in which you take your coffee will determine if it's going to help you to lose weight or not, which is why I will be showing you 4 methods in which coffee can be prepared for weight loss. Our first method is going to be our plain black coffee. Here I have a cup of hot water, and you can also do this on your stove or if you just have a brewing machine. And I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon of my coffee. You can use more, you can use less, just depends on how strong you want your coffee to be. As you can see, this coffee has neither milk or sugar, which is what makes it a weight loss tea. The moment you add milk or sugar to your coffee, trust me, it might not really work as a weight loss tea. You can't withstand the bitterness of the plain coffee? Yes, then you should try out this recipe. Honey has always been a substitute for sugar in any recipe anywhere. But you also need to know that when it comes to weight loss, honey may help to lose weight, but this depends on the amount of quantity that is being consumed. Honey might be the healthier version or healthier substitute for sugar, but you also need to know that honey actually contains more calories than sugar. Therefore, honey should be taken in limited quantity whenever you want to use it as a substitute for sugar, be it in this your weight loss coffee or in any substitute whenever and wherever. So this coffee was actually prepared just the same way we prepare the plain coffee. And here I'm using just 1 teaspoon of my honey, and you can actually use lesser than this, but just make sure that you consume your honey in a very little quantity. It may help with weight loss, and it can also help you to gain weight. So depends on the way you use your honey that is going to let us know whether you are going to lose weight or not. So you have to be careful of honey. For our third recipe, I'll be going ahead with my 0 calorie sweetener. Yes, this sweetener is just sugar without the calories. So if you want to stay away from sugar, you want to stay away from honey, in whichever recipe you want to do, either in this weight loss tea or any other recipe you want to do, you can always substitute your sugar or your honey with a 0 calorie sweetener. Although mine is a tablet 0 calorie sweetener, there are lots of other types of 0 calorie sweeteners out there. So yes, we are just going to be preparing this tea the way we've prepared the other ones. Apparently, 1 tablet of this sweetener is going to give you approximately the same sweetness 1 teaspoon of sugar will give you. So this is how the tablet looks like, and this is me holding like 3 teaspoons of sugar, but without the calories. So yes, you can actually get any other kind of 0 calorie sweetener out there. Not all are in tablet forms. There's Truvia, there's Stevia, and what have you. But this was the one I just could get at my supermarket. Our final recipe is the most efficient one. As we know, lime and water on its own actually helps you to lose weight. Now imagine combining that with your coffee. So I'll be using lime, and you can also use lemon. Lime was what I could get at my neighborhood, so that is why I'm using lime. Feel free to use lemon when you also want to try out this recipe. So I'm adding just one lime to my water first before I go ahead to add my coffee. And just as we prepare the other recipes, we are going to prepare this too. The citric acid in lime or lemon can boost your metabolism, helping you to burn more calories and store less fat in the body, which makes this combination a very, very powerful one, as we have two fat burning ingredients right together. So make sure that whenever you take any of these recipes or any of these teas, make sure you're in a calorie deficit, you eat right, and then you implement some form of exercise. So which of these recipes will you be trying? You can let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share these videos. Till next time, bye guys.